Y'all want to see something fun? Let me show you. Beautiful brand new lawnmower. Oh, lovely. Yay! It doesn't stay running. It is 2022. What a glorious day. Have some good news. So, our brand new lawnmower broke. We didn't know what was wrong with it. It's been a while since we kind of had a chance to go have it looked at. But, him is back. Him is running now. He has a slight issue with the wiring harness. There was a bit of a short in the harness. The mechanic kind of worked it out for us so we can use it until they order a new one. All right, so project number 2 for the day is the 71. We got wheels and they've got tires mounted on them. Look at how pretty. Not that one. That one's for the new F350. But we got those 3. And then we got those 3. And now we're gonna go to our guy and bring him. Maybe we can get him put on today. Hopefully. So, how was y'all's 2022 starting? Ours didn't start off too good. We got this really weird, bad, icky thing that everybody's, been talking about forever. It was fun. Christmas, great present. Ickiness.
Yeah. You from over there? Yeah, I know you. We're Flintstoning right now.
Oh my goodness.